Hi there. Do you want to build exciting and innovative embedded systems products? If you want to, come build with me. So guys, this is the beta test of the automatic hand sanitizer with a security alarm system. So when you don't sanitize your hands, it will raise an alarm, a security alarm, to alert you to sanitize your hands. And the overall aim of this project is to encourage sanitation in our environment. So guys, did you enjoy this video? If you did, smash the subscribe button, like, just give me a thumbs up, and drop your comment about the video and the next project you would want me to upload in this channel. And see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.